Best animation software for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the best animation softwares that are out there that you can use as a complete beginner for your YouTube videos or for your office projects. So firstly we have Adobe Xd. So firstly we have so huh so at app number one, we have Anymaker.com. So guys, Anymaker.com is an amazing website through which you can actually get started with animation within a couple of minutes. So what do they have? They basically have a platform for beginners, non-designers, and professionals. So firstly, click on create your first video from over here, and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then that is going to load up their sign up page in front of you within a few seconds. Now you can either sign up with Google or with Facebook or with your email address or password, and then after that I'm going to catch you guys in just a second once I sign up myself. So once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. Now from over here, you can basically choose to make an horizontal video or a vertical video, square video, presentation slide, or even a voiceover as well if you wanted to. Then you even have the option to basically sync your calendar and have all your team work on similar project within a given time frame. And then also you even have templates which you can choose from. There are just so many options over here. Now you have to basically see now you have to basically ask yourself, what type of video do you want to make? So do you want to make a video ad? Do you want to make a social media video? Do you want to make an Instagram square video, an intro outros type video, an HR corporate video, or a GIF/meme? You can even do that as well. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply pick a particular template if you want to if you don't want to start from scratch. But if you want to start from scratch, what you can do is you can simply pick a template from over here. So I'm going to click on horizontal video, and then after that I'm going to click on blank. Now you can even choose templates as well, but for now I'm going to click on blank, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then that will take you over to this particular canvas. So now from the left side you have all these different features. So over here you can basically select the characters, then below that you can select elements. You can even add text, you can add backgrounds, you can add custom images, videos, music, and so much more. You can even upload other stuff as well if you wanted to. So for now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply pick a character from over here. I'm going to basically pick this person over here. I'm going to double click on this person, and now I have this person over here. Now I can simply move it around. Because I double clicked, I have two people. If I were to click again, I can add another person. Similarly, I can click over here to add another person, but then again that is not needed right now, so I'm going to delete the additional ones. So now from over here you can basically click on play, and they will not do much. They will just stand there and they will blink their eyes. But if you want them to do actions from the right side, you can basically assign them actions as well. So from the right side you can basically see that I can have this person standing and talking. I can have him standing and crying, standing and talking, sitting, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna click on thumbs up, and then this person is gonna do a thumbs up, and then this particular girl can do thank you or something like that. So I'm gonna have her do a similar action. Yeah, so I'm gonna have her jumping with a trophy. So once I do this, and now when I click on play, I will have both of these people doing one action. So this person is giving thumbs up to this particular girl. So this girl looks like his daughter. Because of the mustache and stuff, they look nice. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to click on the left side on background. Now once you click on background from over here, you can essentially choose any background. I'm gonna pick a photo background, or maybe pick this particular background. And once I do this basically shows them that a boss is giving congratulations to his employee. So I can have her over here, and now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on text, and then Alhamdulillah, and then you can basically just have her say out something over here as well. Like basically we can have a text over here saying, wow, I won, and then this person can just say like congrats and stuff like that. So like that is basically the idea of this particular tool. And guys, honestly, if you know these basics, you can actually have them do anything, add as many characters and add as many scenes as well. So guys, this was basically Anymaker. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of the websites. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of the tools. But guys, before we go there, once you have your video ready on Anymaker, simply click on the simply click on the top right where it says publish, and then after that, simply from over here, download this particular video. Now once you do that, you will be all done and you will have your video in your computer. So guys, this was Anymaker and this was app number 1. Coming on to app number 2, we have Powtoon. So guys, Powtoon is another similar software to Anymaker, and this tool also lets you create awesome videos and presentations, and Powtoon gives you the freedom to like create professional and easy to customize videos your audience will definitely love. Now over here we can even see some of the biggest brands that they're working with. So when you are ready, you simply click on start now, and then they're basically going to be giving you a free trial for like a month or for like 7 days. So I'm going to quickly sign up and I'll catch you guys in just a second. So once you've signed up, and now in front of you, you will see this dashboard. Now from over here, what you can do is that you can simply like, create video ads, so social media videos, marketing strategies for your business. So click on the top left and like click on create, and then you can like simply create a video from the scratch. So like for example, you can like create animated videos, whiteboard videos, marketing videos, branded characters, and so much more. But then you also have these templates at the bottom which you can use as well. So like then again, the options are there and you can definitely like get started quickly with these particular templates as well. So I'm gonna basically like click on create, and then I'm gonna click on whiteboard video. So like from over here on these whiteboard videos, I can just simply like create a video by simply clicking on any one of these templates. Now some of these templates are Pro Plus, meaning that I'll have to pay a certain amount to like actually get access to these templates, but some are free. So I'm gonna click on the free one. I'm gonna click on edit this particular template. Now once I do that, that is basically going to take me over to another page where I will be able to modify this particular template. So now from over here, I can essentially like just get started modifying. So like right now, if I were to like modify this, and I can like simply type in over here subscribe and like, and then I can just simply like type in over here as well, explain the socials. And then after that, I can simply have my logo in here if I wanted to, but for now I don't have any logo, so I'm going to delete this. Now if I were to click on play, it is basically going to write that out for me, and similarly like basically have myself a video that I can publish to any of my socials. So guys, that is how easy both of these softwares are, and like it literally took me a couple of seconds to like make these super simple but super quirky videos. And honestly, that is basically the whole basics of these two softwares. Now we're gonna move on to app number 3. So at app number 3, we have Bytable Com. So guys, Bytable.com is actually gonna let you like make these motion graphic style videos, like where you can have these texts animated and like so many more options. And they have been used by Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Disney, Salesforce, BBC, Shopify, Samsung, and also many other big brands as well. They have a big team, and they are honestly working day and night to make sure that all of these tools are top notch, and that you don't run out of resources anytime soon working on this particular website. So now from the left is So now we're gonna move on to the last website we have for you, which is Adobe Xd. Now guys, Adobe Xd is another powerful tool that you can actually use to take your visions to the next level. Now, as compared to any other tool, this tool is the most advanced tool that we have on our list, and hence this is also the most expensive. You can buy a subscription for like $30 a month for this particular tool, but the thing is, these tools are honestly legendary. These tools are legendary, meaning that you can like literally design anything that you can possibly think of on these tools, and these tools will do everything for you. And that is the reason we highly recommend these tools to anybody who is looking to get started in the world of animation, and honestly there is a learning curve to it. Like you will honestly have to learn a lot. But guys, if you have that but guys but guys, if you have the patience, if you have the drive, if you have the necessary like motivation, you will definitely learn these tools without any problem whatsoever. So yeah, bro. So yeah, guys, like definitely the option is there, and now you have all these tools in front of you. You can make your decision better. Now taking a look at the pricing of Adobe XD. So like the pricing isn't too much. Like for the basic version, they're gonna charge you $9.99 per month, and you also have a 7-day free trial, meaning you can cancel at any time. But if you were to like get all the Adobe apps, you can actually get them for just $52 per month. So like definitely a very, very nice thing, and honestly everybody should do it. So guys, this was the video, and I hope this video helped you understand the difference. And I hope this video helped you understand the best animation softwares that there are. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.